So, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining with us today. Thank you, Aisha ma'am, for the wonderful explanation about the Caprix. See, in olden days, we follow books. Okay, books will come and we will just go through the books and the system will go. But now we are clear with what we do because pre-primary is very, very important in child's life. Because generally, what we believe is చిన్న పిల్లలు కదా వాళ్ళకి ఏం తెలుసు వాళ్ళు ఏం నేర్చుకుంటారు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు లైక్ దట్ వి థింక్ బట్ వన్ థింగ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ from the birth you can see the brain development of the child very quickly. Yes, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, if you look at the child will be very swift in grasping, observing and reciprocating of what you do. Okay, so smart parent, what they do when they are selecting the school, they'll be very choosy because pre-primary plays very, very, very important role in child's life because IQ development mostly it will happen below 3 years, 6 years we can say. Fastly they will grasp until 18 years it will continue. So that's why we show lot of care while selecting pre-primary books and even the academic part and each and every minute thing we focus. And our books totally cover technology and even the teachers also they have to undergo the training because we are taking books and we are distributing, we are making the children make the work done. That way it should not go. Actually, whichever it comes, it should go with the system procedure. So we go with the proper way of educating the children. Understood all? So that's why even our Caprix people, what they do, they just come teacher training they will do periodically because teachers also should be equipped with better knowledge to make the to understand the system and present the same to the children. Fine. Even I want you also to understand the concept. That is the purpose of this parent orientation. And few things I want to tell you. What you tell that your children will do. Okay. See, what we advise, what we do, when it doesn't match what you want will never happen. So if you want to insist your children not to use mobile, you please keep yourself away from mobile. Fine. That is the one. And even your watching TV watching time also you keep aside. And parents coordination, husband and wife coordination is more important. I want, even I'm feeling happy. Claps for you all, for the fathers also actively participating and involving in this because generally what they feel means education means it's mother's department and husband will keep aside, but that should not be the case. Both parents equally plays an important role for developing the child. That you please take care. And one more thing what I would like to stress is love and respect should go parallelly in your life. And respect your wife, respect your husband, love your wife, love your husband, and both do a coordinated work. Okay. And one more thing, don't compare your children with other children. Your child is special, unique. And one more thing I want to tell, when you are communicating with your mother, father, yourself, always in front of your child, hike your child and speak because that will build the confidence. We should not feel that child doesn't know anything. Child, we generally believe that child doesn't know anything. Whatever we feel, we share in front of the children, in the presence. But you remember, whatever you speak will give the impact on children's mind and heart. So in front of the child, speak positively about child and motivate your child, and your child is unique and special and you are in the right place. Okay, so you can feel very happy and confident continuing with this system and continuing your support throughout. And one more thing I would like to tell you, share you here is the program will not, this is the starting point of this program. Okay, and it will continue. What way we work, what we really do, you don't know. You take admission and you will come to the school and you will come on PTM day and just see what's happening, where is your child developing, and you compare your child with your neighbor child and feel that your child is better or down. Okay, so every child's grasping is different. Even the brilliant children, slow and steady wins the race. Like that also they can go ahead. So never feel your child is down less and your child is learning slow means you can understand your child is learning slowly and steadily. Okay, and go with the pace and be training the children, your children and your teachers periodically. Every 2 months once we have a teaching training program of teachers, and even we check the classes, monitor the class, and we assess your child's development, and we will give the continuous and permanent feedback to you. And thank you so much for your precious time. Thanks for being with us and have a great time. Thank you.